Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing good. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a simple website from scratch. So this is how our website will be looking like. You can see as you navigate on your nav bar here, you can see a hover that is red. Yeah, you can see the nav bar there. Then we'll also have this is a search bar. I'll show you how to insert a search bar. So you can type whatever you want. Then also we have these are the links or the link to take us to different parts of our website. Yeah, so when you press the about part, you can see it will take you to the about part, and you can see you have inside here you have these are abbreviation for the first class hotel. You can see, and we can also see that we have a bolded, yeah, or emphasized words here. So you can also see you have some emojis here. Then also we have this is let's say a question. Yeah, then the description below. So whenever you press there, you see the description hidden there. And also we have our menu here, have some meals, quantity, price, then have a link to take you back to the shop. Then also if you want to view our menu, just take it to the menu part, then you press back to top. Then have the working class. That's the link that will take you to the first class working class. And you can see the navigation the navigation part here has changed here. It is changing, and I'll do these things simple by simple. Then I have also included some attributes. Whenever you stop here or move around your mouse around the picture, you can see some content there. We love quality food, then have a caption below the image. Then we have the days of the week. I'll be showing you how to add this one, but hope know a little, but no worries if you're a beginner. We'll do these things step by step. Then the link back to top. Then again have here, this is the footer. You can see we have this content there. So you press again back to the top, then go to contact as page, and you can see here we have some images here. You can press that to cancel, to end a call. And you can see whenever you move your mouse around the image, there is some text there. Your feedback is valid. I'm going to show you how to add that one. Then also have a form. This is a form where you can add your name. Kelvin, you can add your name there. Have a placeholder where you can enter your email. Then have some text box here, rather where you can type your text, Then have the buttons here. This is for sending the text or sending the information. You just include a path where the information will be sent to. Then you'll also have our location. The Shororo Kianga Street. So that's the location. And also you can include a phone number. This is a phone number where they can reach you through. So that's our website, guys. This is what I want us to create today. This is going to be an interesting one. I don't know about you, but whenever I see this food, I get really hungry. So let's do this thing as fast as we can so that you can get some African dish. So let's get started, guys. So we'll start by creating the files that we are going to be using. So the first file will be index.html. HTML. Then we'll also need another file. This will be basically the home page. Yeah. Then we'll also need other files. So like the hours.html. These are the files that we'll be using. Yeah. So you can also add another one. Let's call it here contacts.html. Then those are basically the three files that we'll be using to add the compare the hours information, the working hours information, then the contact, yeah, how you can reach us on. Then also we'll add another one which is a CSS styling file. So let's call it CSS dot style. Style.css. Style.css. There you have it, guys. So let's get started by index.html. Index.html. So, and in this one, guys, we're going to start by getting the skeleton. This is where you press the shift, then exclamation mark, and then enter. There you go, guys. That's the skeleton. So inside the head, this part here, we're going to add the title, which will be, can just call it first class hotel. Yeah, first class because we're creating. So let's call it first class. Yeah, it will be a hotel. So we are creating about a hotel. So first class hotel, that will be a title. Then also you can include some links. So let's add some links. So whenever you want to enter a link, you just use that link tag. So link, then relationship. Let's call it style sheet. Yeah, style sheet. Then after it, now you can add our styling file here, our CSS file here. So you use an href. So style.css. So whenever you do some styling, so this is the reference. So whenever we add some style in this file, it will just be visible, yeah, or the styles will just work on this code. So there you have it. We'll also include another link that will be used as a reference for the icons we're going to be using. So then you call it style sheet 2. You can just call it icon. Yeah, so icon, then href. I have it. Then so this is basically the one that will act as a reference whenever we include the emojis. Yeah, as you saw in we have some emojis there, so this will be the reference. So that one, and let's see the type will be image. Yeah, there you have it, guys. So it is icon. Yeah, so that's our second link. Then we'll also include a third one. So this is basically the one that will be used as a reference whenever you use the icons in the navigation bar. So that's all we're going to have on the head part. So let's jump right away into the body. So inside the body, let's add these tags. So div, and let's give it a class. class nav navbar. And guys, just bear with me, I have some itching on my throat. Don't know what's the problem, but hope you are getting me right here. So also you also include a link. So in HTML we used the A, yeah, the A tag. So you can just, yes, the href, yeah. Then include index.html. Then we close the tag. So we are going to also to include the icons, yeah. So it will be a number with them icon. So in order to add icons in your code, use I, yeah. You can see the I element represents a span of text in alternative voice or mode, otherwise offset from normal prose in a manner indicating a different quality of text, such as taxonomic designation, yeah. So basically it's all about the icons that we are going to be using. So let's add an icon. So the icon will be a home icon. So there you have it, guys. That's, we have added an icon. So you can also copy paste this one because we are going to include several links. So and the second one, so you can do some modifications, small modifications here. Just say the about, about. So you can use a question mark, yeah. So the icon for it is this one. So that is question circle. There we have it, guys. Then answer here we didn't indicate the name, so the name must come after. Yeah, so it is home. This one can just say it is about. There you go, guys. Then can also include another one, but before then you can include a search bar. Now this will use input type text, yeah. So text, yeah. Then just say an ID. The ID will be my search, yeah, my search. Then we'll also add now the placeholder. Will be like this. And there you have it, guys. We have included the search bar, and that will be a nice search bar. Then also you can include another link that will take us to help, yeah. Can take us to the help page, yeah. So let's change this one to question. and there is a small difference between this icon and this one. I hope guys will see it when I run the code. So yeah, I have it. Then you can just name this one as help. Yeah, then you can also include our last link. Now this one will take us now to the login page of the login form. So just create another file there and then you link it here. So since we haven't created it, just use the hash, then can add the user icon, then the name will be login. There you have it. This is our well created navbar with icons. Then this is a closing tag for the div tag. So let's add something else on our body. So the header. So and inside the header we have the links, yeah. So the navigation links. So but before that you can just add a heading. So we have a hierarchy from head 1 to head 6, as you can see. So the head 1 is always the largest, yeah, up to the H6, which is the smallest of all the heading, yeah. So we want our headers to be aligned, so can just to be aligned at the center, yeah. So you can just write them. You can now write a text that you want to be aligned at the center. So welcome to first class hotel. Welcome to first class hotel. Then so below the heading, this is where we're going to have the nav or the navigation. So it will be just call it nav, then class, give it a class name as a nav, yeah. Just close the tag. Then inside here, this is where we're going to have the links. So whenever you want to write a link in HTML, you use the UL, and this represents the unordered list. And whenever you want to do unordered, this is because the UL basically called the bullet. Yeah, it's a bulleting style of listing items. So have the unordered, then you have the ordered. So this is why you use the O. Can see the ordered, and now in the ordered, this is why you can specify that you want to use italics, you want to use alphabets, yeah. But let's basically work with the unordered list, so of the bullet list. So in this we have the first link, which will be basically a link, so that will take us to the about page. So about, I just closed them. Then you can also add an abbreviation. So whenever you want to write an abbreviation in HTML, you use the ABBR tag. So, and in this tag we are going to write the title. So I want to abbreviate the title. So the title was first class hotel, so title will be first class hotel. Yeah, so its abbreviation will be, want to make it FCH. Maybe the people around there, they just call it FCH. I headed to FCH rather than saying the first class hotel. Yeah, so I think FCH is a bit shorter for some people. Yeah, then also add another link. So that was the first list, which is a link. Yeah, because you use the e tag. Can also add another one. Can also add another one. So this is the second list. But there's something I want to show you guys. But let's just continue writing. But we'll need to copy this one because there's something that will just remain the same throughout our code. So we'll just need to copy paste it in these different files. So let's add the second link. So this will take us to the menu part of the page. So menu, then can just our menu. Yeah, you can see, there you go guys. Yeah, the output have our menu, the link takes us to our menu. Then so that will be a second link. Then you can also add another link. This will be the third link, and also it is a sorry guys, it's a list, but now it's a list, is a link. Yeah, that will take us somewhere. So use the a tag href, then ours.html. Now we want to link this file now, so it is ours.html. Then just name it working hours, and then have it guys on output. Working hours link is there displayed. So we can also add our fourth and the last link. So this will take us to the contact. So just, we said it is a list, so list, then inside the list we have the link, and we use again the href, then contacts .html. Yeah, so that's the link that will take us to this file over here. So yeah, and there you have it guys. So let's give it a name. Contact us. Yeah, I think that's a suitable one to use. Contact us. So that's our link guys. You can see it is displayed on our output. Yeah, it is well displayed on our output. So from there guys, we'll just head to the footer, because these are the things that will remain constant throughout our website. Yeah, so on the footer we are going to add, so you can just below the header just now leave some space that will come and add some other attributes. So here on the footer we will include we'll use a p tag to represent the paragraph, so and just align it. I can use the align attribute and align it at the center. So then what will be aligned at the center? Caption. Then we'll use ampersand copy to output the C here, yeah. So sorry, it is not caption, it is copyright, yeah. Copyright. And just copyright. So copyright. There you have it, guys. So ampersand copy, and you can see a C which is circled has been displayed there. So then the first class hotel, first class hotel. So our output is here, and this is the footer. Will be the footer. So there you have it, guys. It is aligned at the center. Yes. So this will basically be common throughout our file. So what we need to do is just copy paste. So Control C. Then you can head to your next. Then you Control V, and also to this one. So there you have it, guys. It is in all files that we have created. So basically that's the first part, and you can see the skeleton of our home page is right away here. So that's it, guys. So see you in the next tutorial, as we are going now to add the content inside the home page.